On my father's side, the family came from what is now the western Ukraine, really very close to the Polish border. At the time, it was part of the Austrian Empire. And there's a wonderful story about that, which is that as I was growing up, I had some interest in the family background, unfortunately a very limited one, so I didn't ask too many questions. But somehow I wanted to know how the family identified itself in terms of nationality. And so my father told me, he said, well, we're Austrian. And I said, okay, that's fine. And that's what I grew up thinking of ourselves as being. It was only when I became, I think, probably a late adolescent or an adult that I realized that, in fact, we weren't Austrian except in the most technical of terms, because where we were from, or where the family was from, was the old Austro-Hungarian Empire. Right. But there was always a feeling I had that there was a certain amount of cachet to be thought of as Austrian. It sounded better than Polish. To me, it sounded better than Russian. So I thought that was a pretty good thing to be.